Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you quick and easy how to reorganize your homepage and promote products on your homepage in distinct rows using smart collections from Shopify. I'm going to walk through this simple and easy. Anybody's going to be able to do this if you're just basically familiar with Shopify. So here's my problem. If you look at my site, I sell ebooks and worksheets for small business owners. I'll link to it down below so you can check it out if you're interested. But it just looks like this out of the box. It's just got all my products kind of jumbled together. And it's not clear which ebooks or worksheets go with which, category of things people are trying to learn about or solve. So to do that, what I'm going to first do is create a smart collection. So I'm going to go right in here and I'm going to go to collections, and then I'm going to go to add a collection, and I'm going to name it. So the first one I'll be like how to rank #1 on Google Maps. Now, I do suggest that you add a description so that you can, help with the SEO component. But then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to make sure that these are included. And then I'm going to go from manual to smart. Now, when I go from manual to smart, I get these conditions down below. I want to go with tag. So tag is equal to, and now for this one, it's going to be GBP optimization. That's what my products are tagged with. So I'm going to put that in and I'm going to click on save. Okay. And so now products in the collection are updating. So I'm going to click on refresh, and in just a minute, my products are going to be there. So okay. So now you can see that my 4 products are here. I've got the Google Business Profile Rebrand, Google Business Profile Quick Fix, ranks #1 ebook, and rank #1 step-by-step setup guide. All right. So now that I've got those, where I need to go next is I need to go over here to my online store. Now, when I click on my online store, I'm going to need to go to customize right here. Now, when I get into here, I'm going to have all new tools. Now, see, don't worry, this isn't showing, right? Like this is just the customize. So here's where all my products are together. What I want to do in the template, not in the header, but in the template is I want to add a collection here. And then I'm going to feature a collection. So when I click on that, here's my featured collection. And then I'm going to go all the way over here to collection, and I'm going to select one. Okay? How to rank #1 on Google Maps. That's the collection. So now there's my featured collection. I don't want it to say featured collection though, because I'm going to add more. I'm going to say rank your business #1 on Google Maps. See, and then I can play around with the heading. I can add a description below that. I can change the column layout. Like if I only wanted 2 of those products to show like that, I think 4 is great. That makes sense for me. I can have all these controls over here that you can go through about what you want to show with those products. I'm just going to leave it as is. And now I'm going to click save. And you can see now the homepage of my site, I'll go all the way back out of this. I'll go back over here and refresh. Now I've organized my site better to where, let me just give it another minute to refresh. Okay, now you can see I refreshed my page. I've still got this main collection, which I showed you at the start because I didn't delete or edit that yet. But now as I scroll down, now you can see this collection of my products, my ebooks and worksheets that are about helping you rank your business #1 on Google Maps, right? And those are all well organized there. Now I'm just going to go through and probably delete this section and just have my homepage consist of clear sections with the product groupings. And that's how you can promote specific groups of products well organized on your homepage using tags and smart collections from Shopify. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Otherwise, stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe so you can catch more great videos to help you run your Shopify site effectively. I'll catch you in the next video.